Have you ever wondered what makes 316 stainless steel bar so special? At Forte Precision Metals, we specialize in precision ground 316 stainless round bars, and we want to share with you why this material is so valuable. 316 stainless steel is a type of austenitic stainless steel that contains chromium, nickel, and molybdenum. The addition of these elements provides excellent corrosion resistance, even in harsh environments. This type of steel is also known for its high tensile strength and durability. That's why the 316 stainless steel bar is commonly used in construction, particularly in marine applications where the material is exposed to salt water and other corrosive elements. The steel's ability to resist rust and pitting makes it ideal for use in boat fittings, structural supports, and even swimming pool components. But that's not all. The 316 stainless steel bar is also used in the manufacturing of medical equipment such as surgical instruments and implants, as well as in the food and beverage industry where it is used to make equipment that comes into contact with food. At Forte Precision Metals, we understand the importance of using the highest quality materials, which is why we offer precision ground 316 stainless steel round bars. Our centerless grinding service ensures that our bars are perfectly straight and have a smooth surface finish, making them ideal for use in critical applications where precision is essential. Visit our website to learn more about our precision ground 316 stainless steel round bar and our centerless grinding services.